Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional Vault. So to start, click on your Windows applications and type admin. You will see the SOLIDWORKS administration app, which you can select. This opens up the SOLIDWORKS PDM administration tool. On the left, you will see a list of servers with the PDM server components installed. In this case, I have one. What you can do is right click on that server and click Create New Vault. From here, you will have a wizard which you can follow in order to install and configure a new PDM Professional Vault. Click Next. Select your vault type. In this video I'll be showing you SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional, so I will select a PDM Professional Vault. Then you can give your vault a name. Click Next. Here you will select your Vault archive folder. In this case I have one archive installed on my computer called Peer. Click Next. Here you will be prompted to select the correct Microsoft SQL database. Select the one which is related to PDM Professional. Click Next. Here you are prompted for a existing PDM license server. So click Add, then type in your port number. The default port number is 25734. Type in an @ symbol and then your server name. Click OK. Click Next. You can now select your language and your date format. Click Next. I have already set up a PDM admin password, so I will select use the default admin password for this archive server. Click Next. Here you will choose the default configuration for your vault. You can either select the default out of the box installation, empty, or SOLIDWORKS Quick Start. In this case I'll be using a default configuration. Here you can select which configuration items you would like to install. In this case I would like to incorporate some tasks and my dispatch add-in. Click Next and say Finish. The vault will now be installed and created. Completed, you can click Close. You will now see your vault listed underneath your server name. Thank you for watching.